Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the environment. Install a trusted multi-window or multi-session extension, enable its permissions, and sign into necessary accounts. Once done, open 26 tabs or windows with the videos or streams you want to track and confirm each tab plays correctly on click. Make sure to open Task Manager and note CPU and memory usage so you can compare later. You do this now to prevent interruptions and to ensure accurate watch time aggregation when you activate automated playback. You now configure playback per tab. Set speeds, volumes, and precise start points to match desired watch time goals, and save these as profiles if the extension supports them. Next, choose whether to run tabs sequentially or simultaneously. If you run multiple at once, stagger their start offsets by a few seconds to avoid CPU spikes. Make sure to pin important tabs and mute unnecessary audio. Then create a schedule within the extension or Windows Task Scheduler for unattended sessions, so watch time accumulates. You finish by running a 10-15 minute test session and then verify aggregated watch time totals and any extension logs. If you spot dropped frames, buffering, or throttling, make sure to lower video quality, reduce the number of simultaneous tabs, or stagger starts more. If tabs stop reporting or automation fails, clear cache and cookies, update the extension and browser, or switch to a fresh browser profile. One key troubleshooting tip: if automated playback stalls, disable hardware acceleration and retry, since GPU issues often break continuous sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.